Guys, oh my God, this news just dropped this night and it happened on the 25th. You and I know 25th, and 25th is we're in the morning of 26 right now, and the time is 2:25. Hey, this thing happened like some hours ago, guys.
President Trump just announced that U.S. military strikes on ISIS targets in northwest Nigeria. In a statement released on Truth Social tonight, President Donald J. Trump confirmed that the United States, under his direction as Commander-in-Chief, conducted a powerful and deadly strike against ISIS-affiliated terrorists in northwest Nigeria.
Red Cross workers cleared victim remains from a mosque in Maiduguri, the capital of Nigeria's Borno state, on Thursday, where a suspected suicide bomber detonated an explosive, killing at least 5 worshippers and injuring dozens more. No group has claimed responsibility for Wednesday's attack, which comes amid heightened security concerns in Nigeria's northeast.
What the President of the United States of America said he was going to do to Nigeria is starting to happen, guys. Breaking news. President Trump says U.S. launched strike on ISIS terrorists in Nigeria. And this news is from the ABC. Yeah, ABC. And according to this channel, it said, breaking news, President Trump bombs Nigeria on Christmas Day in bid to save the Christians. Wow. This is becoming serious, but warning has been given. Yes, he has won, but these people don't want to listen. Another disturbing thing I heard about this news is the fact that the bomb died the Christians. So who he was trying to protect are the same set of people the bomb affected. How true is that though, guys? Well, I have a clip I want us to check and it has all the information we should know. All right, guys, let's take a look at it. And please, at the end of it, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
Hello, everyone. This is breaking news. President Trump just announced that U.S. military strikes on ISIS targets in northwest Nigeria. In a statement released on Truth Social tonight, President Donald J. Trump confirmed that the United States, under his direction as Commander-in-Chief, conducted a powerful and deadly strike against ISIS-affiliated terrorists in northwest Nigeria. And this is the full presidential statement. It says, tonight, at my direction as Commander-in-Chief, the United States launched a powerful and deadly strike against ISIS terrorist scum in northwest Nigeria who have been targeting and viciously killing primarily innocent Christians at levels not seen for many years and even centuries. I have previously warned these terrorists that if they did not stop the slaughtering of Christians, they would be held to pay. And tonight there was. The Department of War executed numerous perfect strikes as only the United States is capable of doing. Under my leadership, our country will not allow radical Islamic terrorism to prosper. May God bless our military, and Merry Christmas to all, including the dead terrorists, of which there will be many more if their slaughter of Christians continues. And so so that's what is out there. And then there was a place where someone was saying that, oh, that this action was done in let me remove my glasses, in conjunction with our own military. Ha 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 ha. For me, anything that takes out these terrorists is a welcome development. In as much as, yes, Nigeria is a territorial state, it has its own territorial integrity and all of that, but in the protection of lives and properties, anything goes. We've been calling on our government for years to do something about these terrorists. Take them out. People who are killing people have no place where human beings are. But it hasn't been. But as we see it now, we haven't heard from the Nigerian government, the illegitimate government we currently have. If it was a joint action, you would expect that they also would put out a statement or they will even put it out before this, or put out something that, oh, we worked in conjunction with. Whatever action that has just been started, hopefully it's something that works out good for Nigeria and it puts an end to this terrorism. Because I just did a video earlier where I was saying yesterday there was an attack in Borno, a mosque was attacked. And for me, it's that if you're really attacking these people, they won't have time to sit down and be planning. You understand? They won't have time to sit down and be planning on how to go and strike. Most times you see what you see from Nigeria is that Nigerian military will always be saying, oh, they are repelling. Why are you repelling? Why are you waiting for them to attack you? Then you are pushing them back. That means you are the one at the defensive. That means you are the one who is weaker. You are supposed to be going after these people, taking them out. When you're taking them out, they will be the ones, that will be on the road, and they will not even have the time to now come and sit down and say, oh, they are going to go and attack people or kidnap people. They will be the ones that will be on the road. And this is what you'll be seeing now. I don't think there's any reaction from the Nigerian government. Let me go through and see. Let me go and see. I don't think so. I haven't seen any this thing news coming out from the Nigerian government. Okay, I'm seeing ISIS in Nigeria, so it's trending at number 1 on Twitter, now known as X. It's still talking about the breaking news. Fox News has carried it. It says breaking: President Trump says the U.S. launch airstrikes in Nigeria on Christmas night. So I'm sure it's not even too long ago. And the United States, they will take it out straight. It's not too long ago that this happened. And they said Trump, they are reporting it on Fox News. It said breaking: President Trump says the U.S. launched airstrikes in Nigeria on Christmas night, targeting ISIS militants he accused of killing Christians, calling the operation decisive and warning further attacks will follow if the violence continues. Yes. So this is it. What's just announced. Okay, so it's all going on. Breaking news across. You see a lot of American media are carrying it. I haven't seen the Nigerian media. I have not seen as much as the Nigerian media are carrying it. Or definitely the Nigerian government hasn't done anything. Whether they know, although I saw someone who said that it's in conjunction with the military, but I would expect that if it's in conjunction with military to be able to take charge of the narrative. I mean, the Nigerian government, we have an illegitimate government, so would have been able to also put out and put out something, but probably they never knew about it. And I just hope that they really got to the terrorists real good. I would have wanted this to have been something that it is the Nigerian military that ended up being able to do this, but they've not been able to do this. So at the end of the day, Nigeria is literally helpless as it is. Whatever help we can get to help us tackle these terrorists, it's very, very important. It's been 15 years. People have been killed. People have died. People are living in bondage, in suffering. People have gone through so much because of terrorists. They've driven people away from their lives. And the audacity for me is the fact that you are coming out, you are shouting that, hey, you're doing this in the name of God. You're shouting Allahu Akbar, you're doing this level. But the weapons you are doing, you don't even know how they did it. Why the anger that you feel? If you say, okay, you are whatever, why don't you make your own weapons? Even the weapons you don't have. The weapons you don't have, you are having to use weapon that was done by someone. For those that say Boko Haram, don't go to school, don't whatever. Is it not the people that went to school that did the weapon that you are now using shamelessly to kill people? Lord have mercy. This is the beginning. First news report: Trump announces strike on ISIS in Nigeria. And one of the things that, Boko Haram, the terrorists in Nigeria, have done over the years, and I've mentioned it, I think I've said this in some of the tweets I've done, they have never touched an American. I know those ones, if they come after you, they will go after you. I remember, watching how they fought ISIS in Iraq and how systematically they went on taking, the terrorists out. Not this one that they will just do repel and go and sleep, repel and go and sleep. Well, the war has started. Unfortunately, if you are not able to do something yourself, you will call your neighbors to help you do it. And this is it. And may God make this the beginning of the end for the terrorists, and may peace come to our country. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Yeah, it's real, guys. This news is real. Okay, so now that Trump have started what he said he's gonna do, what will come out of Nigeria? Do you think it's gonna be a positive change or negative change? As it is right now, that the news is saying that it affected the Christians, does that mean the bomb went to a wrong direction or something? Or they are just throwing bombs anyhow? If they are just throwing bombs anyhow, then bro, I am scared for my family in Nigeria, seriously. Hey, so at any time, bomb will just come, boom, and you are gone. I think they should recheck this thing. They should recheck it. If they are doing something, they should make sure they do it accurately, okay? They should send it to where it belongs, where the terrorists are. That's where the bomb's supposed to go, not where, like, people who don't know anything about it. Well, we're yet to hear from other channels. Yeah, Nigerian news channel. If there's any new update, I will bring it on here, okay, guys? Stay tuned and await any information coming on. I've come to the end of my video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many as out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you. Bye bye.